Welcome back, Nero Diviner channel here. I'm switching between two cameras. Anyway, I'm not keeping too much time now. I am going, please, if you want to keep watching this video, you will see how I realized this painting. Actually, thank you, Sonia. And I'm not talking too much now. We'll see you at the end of the video for greetings and details. So now, painting. So, thanks for watching this video. I am going to show you the details of the painting close to the camera. I hope you like this, hopefully. I quite like the paper. It's an arch, really texture, so really rough. This is one of my favorite paper ever. It's 100% cotton, is cold pressed, and basically the only two paint brush I've used are these two Da Vinci Casaneo flat. I didn't use any different brush or something else, and as you can see here, I play with the complementary color between skin tone and cold color. Thank you again, Sonia, for another important things actually. The sketch, I've used Wordsworth and black fountain pen. Hopefully my pronounce is good, because I don't know if it's good. Please, guys from Wordsworth and black, let me know if my pronunciation is correct. So anyway, because I really like to sketching with that fountain pen. It's quite cheap, but it's really high quality. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this painting, of course. Anything, contact me if you want some commission, if you want some details, if you want, I don't know, anything you want, I'll be here for you. And now, please, if you're an artist, keep on painting, continue practice, because it's the best way to improve yourself and find your style. See you next time here.